live stream to announce that a significant proportion, about 3,000 of the city's 4,400 workers, will go on strike Tuesday, December 5th, starting at 7 o'clock in the morning. The strike has to do with a lack of increase in the city's income, cost of living adjustments for its workers. It has been under the requirements to maintain a living wage, and this has gone on for some time. There are a number of workers who also unbelievably go without health benefits. I say unbelievably because you would think the City of Oakland could provide health benefits for all of its workers, but that's not the case. A number of workers have health benefit programs that are substandard. So the vote among the 3,000, not police and fire. Police and fire are under a separate union system. So police and fire are not participating in this strike. It's not that they are, if you will, crossing the picket line. They simply have another set of obligations and responsibilities such that the government doesn't allow them to strike in the normal way. So with that, here is the list, of programs and services that will not be done because of the strike on Tuesday, December 5th. All Oakland City Council committee meetings that are normally held on Tuesday and scheduled for Tuesday, December 5th are canceled. Head Start, these are programs and facilities that will be closed. I'm going to read those to you now. Head Start and Early Start sites, senior centers, public libraries, recreation centers and programs, including after-school programs, multi-purpose senior service program, no case management services for frail seniors except for scheduled home visits. There's no brown bag food distribution. The Civic Center building, City Hall, 150 City Hall Plaza and 250 Frank Ogawa Plaza will be closed. The Parking Citation Assistance Center will be closed. The Housing Assistance Center will be closed. No sale of paratransit bus vouchers. No fire inspections. No fire department plan checking and permits. No building inspections. The building tax license will be closed. The Business Assistance Center will be closed. The planning and building permits counter will be closed. And services that will be unavailable during the strike: no parking enforcement, no street sweeping, no public restrooms open at civic facilities, no routine maintenance work, no abandoned auto detail, no crime or traffic reports. All right. So they said that the city's highest priority is to continue to provide public safety services to the community. Sworn police and fire personnel will not participate, as I told you, in a strike. All right. So that's the list. That's what to expect due to this strike. And it was said that an 11th hour offer was going to be made, but apparently it hasn't been taken. Okay. And I'm checking Twitter right now to see if there are any updates that I may have missed at all, and don't have that right here at all. And let's see if I type Oakland strike. Oakland strike is, other than Oakland itself, the second most used keyword. And so the City of Oakland has prepared for it. And on December 1st, it says it's last, best, and final offer to SEIU Local 21 included a wage increase of up to 6%, which included 4% retroactive to July 1st of 2017, in addition to the LBFO is called the last, best, and final offer. The city will continue to provide a fully paid family health care benefits and absorb all pension and health care related rate increases. Yeah, and so there you are. And then it explains that they will, in addition to that, they have the, trying to read this here, but it's not coming through. Okay, but it says for the past 7 months, the city of Oakland has engaged in good faith negotiations with 5 of its 7 labor unions, including a meeting at least several days a week. Neither party has declared an impasse. All right, and it says the city has reached more than 150 tentative agreements with the 5 collective bargaining groups that address substantive issues, including health and safety, employee compensation, and disciplinary processes. Specifically, the city has also offered to, and then it doesn't continue. Well, okay, that's a incomplete posting, but anyway, you get the idea. That's the basics. All right, that's the basics. But it's going to happen, and then the City of Oakland says breaking City of Oakland negotiators reject proposal to avert strike by entering into informal mediation, causing Oakland workers to strike tomorrow. City of Oakland leaders and negotiators have refused pre-impasse mediation, and Mayor Willie Brown's offer to mediate contract talks. City of Oakland represented by SEIU Local 21 and IFPTE Local 21. More than 3,000 workers in total will go on strike Tuesday, December 5th. The more than 2,000 workers represented by SEIU 1021 will strike in protest of the city's unfair labor practices, with IBEW 1245 honoring their picket lines. And nearly 1,000 city workers represented by IFPTE 21 will be on sympathy strike, is what that's called. Okay, sympathy strike. Earlier today, the 3 unions proposed postponing a strike action if the City of Oakland negotiators agreed to enter informal pre-impasse mediation with the help of former Assembly Speaker and San Francisco Mayor Willie Brown. And Chief Negotiator for SEIU Local 21, Robert Suskowski, expressed the workers' disappointment in the city's decision to leave workers no other choice but to strike. Oakland workers want to go to work tomorrow, but after working without contracts since June, and the city committing unfair labor practices and bargaining and towards our members at work, they are willing to strike. Furthermore, the city still refuses to prioritize the health and safety challenges facing Oakland residents and workers. At issue in these negotiations are unfair labor practices, understaffed departments, vacancy and retention problems, health and safety issues for the community caused by a shortage of illegal dumping crews, and mandatory overtime for emergency dispatchers, and an increasing reliance on temporary part-time employees, hence those employees which go without health care, to serve the growing city. So there you are. Okay, that's it. All right. So the workers plan to strike, and as they say, see you tomorrow, or is it today? But yeah, the workers plan to strike. Phew. Can't remember the last time there's been this much rancor between Oakland management and workers. Not to be sure, it's been there before, but not to this degree. And it's A sad statement. Sad statement. All right. See everybody later.